Take off from the bird, keep her, let the bird fly. Why I try to take my prize, you a dead guy. Of course I gotta keep her watch.
We ready. We finna go on some trips, you know what I'm saying? We finna go on some errands for the family real quick. So, hey, you ready to rock real quick?
Yeah, let's go rock real quick.
Okay, we about to get this thing started, you feel me? So, great day, nigga, relax.
I know, right?
Relax. Look, y'all, look. We gonna drop a vlog today for y'all, so it ain't just Reese, you know what I'm saying? We got Marky T in the building. So what's the moves for today, man?
I don't know, man. What is the moves?
You tell me what's the moves. You the one that's driving.
Try to make these Journal 3 moves.
Oh yeah, homie.
Under the weather.
He's sick. Under the weather. Ooh, kissing the food together. Ooh.
Trying to figure out how I got sick. I think it was this person holding this camera.
Nah, I ain't get you sick, bruh.
I think he got me sick, man.
Nah, I ain't get you sick. Them kids on Christmas Day got you sick.
I don't know, them kids, man.
I ain't get you sick, man.
Nephews,
I ain't get you sick, man.
They got me, man.
It was your nephews. That's my cousins, man.
Nephews, man. They got me, and I'm sick now.
Now, like, you down, man.
It's bad, man. Like, I blow my nose up. Brains up in that thing. Like,
you sniffing out, I said sniffing out. You shooting out brains.
You shooting out brains.
You shooting out brains.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on.
I think I lost my notification.
Yesterday, she can give me that squeeze.
I don't know if they're ready for that. I don't know if they're ready for that live yet. You took it. Where's the squeeze you're talking about?
Look, little kids look. What's the squeeze, mommy? What's the squeeze? Come here, let me show you. Mommy, you want to start watching them now?
I'm setting parental controls here and that right now.
Go to sleep.
Who's this talking about some doggone squeeze? Oh my gosh. What's that damn show?
Look, get fined too.
They demonetize your whole existence.
Look, take the video. Now I got like 5 copy strikes.
Hey, but it's worth it.
What we about to go into?
Dollar Tree.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go into Dollar Tree. Let's see what kind of farms they got for you.
Okay. Ooh, bars.
That was some Dollar Tree.
That was some bars. That was some bars. That was some bars.
I hope they bring the GameStop.
They not gonna bring GameStop over here. They're not gonna bring GameStop over here. I'm not sure that they're not gonna bring GameStop over here. Lasso. It's in the what? It's in the bottom. What you looking at?
I need my vitamins.
Hold on.
Shout out to all the pears.
Oh, my pears. Hold on. Cheesecake. What cheesecake? Cheesecake got? Cheesecake. That's all I'm saying today. Cheesecake. I gotta put an 8th in a liter. Put the Jones make it sweeter. Marcus. Hold this.
I did that for us.
And Lil should have shook the camera. It just got like quiet real quick, like.
Okay.
Huh? Man, nigga, why be walking in circles like we pacing, nigga?
I'm winning right now. I'm gonna black.
You don't know what he's looking for, y'all.
I thought you split up the time, man.
Who you bucking that, nigga? Hey, yo, cheesecake. You know what you're looking for, bro?
Yes.
What? Ooh, delicious donuts. Delicious deals. Yeah.
On that other lap, bro.
Bro.
Got you this time.
You over here think we playing with foot right? Look, right here the whole time.
That's wipes, so purchase.
Where the Lysol at, y'all? Y'all help us and tell us where it's at. Where the Lysol at? Huh?
They probably be stocking it. See, no, it's jerks.
Everybody else getting sick. I ain't get you sick, bro.
Yeah, might have.
You got yourself sick.
Might have.
Huh?
Might have.
Hey, dog.
That's ugly. Yeah, we about to make it.
Well, we got to go somewhere else, y'all. You heard? So, we bouncing? Okay. Okay. Ooh, Kurt. Ooh. Oh, okay. Okay, Marcus. So, where we going? Huh? Bus. I was about to say, he just said Dollar Tree and we just left Dollar Tree. What? Dollar General?
Yeah. Like
$2. It was. But don't mention it. Don't mention it.
Huh?
Don't mention it.
Huh?
Don't mention it.
Oh, yeah, thanks, Tyrese. Yeah, my 2 minutes of fame.
2 minutes of fame.
I'm about to make it big in this.
Well, I'm gonna see y'all later.
I'm sorry.
You know what I'm saying? So you know where we at right now, bro? Dollar General.
Dollar General, man. You know it's dollar everything.
Dollar bills, y'all.
Dollar bills, y'all. You know we stacking all these ones, you know. All ones.
Yep. We went to strip club.
Yeah.
Strip club.
Strip
Shrimps. Strip club.
See a girl.
Look, being there, just like what I used to say when I was a kid. Not much I love push.
Yeah. That was nice.
I didn't even say it. I said push.
You said it, but you knew what you were trying to say though.
I ain't know I was trying to say that. I was a little kid.
Yeah. Sure, you didn't know anything, but at the same time, you knew what you was doing.
I'm shaking over here. Shaking in my boots.
It's a little brick in here. It's Brick City. I felt a couple bricks hitting me earlier.
I can't get my seatbelt off. That's how cold it is. It's so cold trying to show my body, my booty crack. My booty crack.
You try to get out there.
Yeah. But that's what I'm trying to get warm in the car, you know what I'm saying?
Well, you keep stopping on this. Be right back.
Hold on. Where is it at though? Nah, you see the little woman was all looking in my face like you want something?
Oh, no, it's right down here.
But I said, look, we're not gonna do that pacing game. We're not doing all that pacing again, bruh. Look at yourself in the mirror. Huh?
Look out for it. There we go. Watch it.
But I don't even know what we looking for.
Disinfectant spray.
Who paying for it? Shouldn't I give you money?
Look at this. Yeah. No. I'll pay one. Just pay me back. Yo, that one's.
See how much that cost, y'all? That $5. $5 foot long. $5 foot long.
Yeah, they gonna have to deal with some germs for a minute.
Why you say that?
Cause we got money about. I might get it, bro. $5 change, bro.
You might have to get it.
Nah.
Nana's sick, man. You know we'll do anything for Nana.
Of course, always.
Of course, so this is for Nana. Oops, excuse me, yo, I'm sorry. They need to clean this up, it don't make no sense.
Just clear it.
Clean this up, y'all. Dollar General is better. Ooh, I'm balling. Shot calling.
Cause you put a cheaper one, it's $2.50. See, it shows you everybody getting sick, bro.
I think I got. Hold on. You looking for this though, right?
Yeah, but it's $250.
Hmm?
I have to give him some wipes.
No. Y'all getting this? That's what you trying to get them?
Yeah. No, we good. I'm gonna tell you something. Yeah.
And you know she gonna say still get it, right? Yeah, you do that and see what she say. How much in the back? She said she gonna say still get it.
Yeah. Okay, I was about to say, I left my phone.
Ooh, then we got to get back in the car right all the way back.
Oh,
All the way back. All the way back. That way.
right way.
Burger King way. Go Yard way.
Upside down way.
Ooh, Dollar General way. No Lysol way. Yeah. Alright. Does he match?
Don't do that. That's clear.
Wait, no. Do you down, do you?
Nigga, lift the camera off and look at you.
I'm at a distance though.
There you go.
Where?
Sorry.
Hmm?
I said, well, sight. Look at my messages.
My messages. Huh?
That's my sister still.
It's your sister, nigga. It's my cousin. It's your half sister anyway.
That's your
sister.
sister. That's your sister, cousin.
Yeah, something like that. When she don't get on my nerves.
Bro, you my cousin, you still my brother. You know what I'm saying?
You can say that. Huh?
Tell me nothing. This is just title.
Titles. Nigga. Like when girls ask niggas, what are we? That was the fakest laugh ever. Huh? Say what? I ain't talking about nothing.
You good?
You good?
You said we're full of conversation. Oh
See, look.
man, get some Gatorade. I'm a little thirsty, so let's see what they got.
Man, I thought you didn't have no money.
I
You know what the Lysol costs.
I got to pay
You
for something.
you know goodness well they Gatorade gonna cost some. Nigga, it's a bird in here. It's a bird in here.
I thought it was a mouse.
Look, let's leave.
Oh, shit.
There's a bird in here, y'all. I'm about to put that on camera.
Hey, at least they do come out.
Alright. Hey, man.
Hey,
Y'all
there's
have
a
like
bird
a
in
bird in here.
What?
It's like a bird over there. It's like
It was over there.
it just
somewhere.
flew over there.
I thought it was a mouse or something like that. They just start flying. That's a bird, yo. He might help y'all stack.
Down that way though. Or she just grabbed the bird here.
I said
The bird,
he.
it flew down that way.
I said he might help y'all stack up some stuff too. Stock. Yeah. Y'all have a good one.
Oh, so it might help y'all restack or something.
That girl there was dead.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So you better go check on Nana real quick. Yeah, feel on Granny real quick. Main part right here.
I got it.
Man, I'm getting sick.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I wonder from who though.
Your bag, so.
Officer door unlocked. Let's pray. Who? No, that's you. Hey, it's locked. I mean, unlocked. I'm tripping. Take the elevator, take the stairs. You wanna race?
Huh?
Huh? Okay, so he's gonna take the elevator, I'm gonna take the stairs, y'all. I'm gonna race. Ready, set, You ready? I'm wait till you get on there. Go. You know what I'm saying? Quickest, fastest, you know, live, you feel me? So, of course, I just be him.
You cheat.
I cheat, bro.
You cheat. You went to the door shut.
No, I didn't.
You said
That wasn't the deal.
I was like, man, whatever.
That wasn't the deal.
Nah, get it.
That wasn't the deal. That wasn't the deal, y'all. Y'all clearly heard me say that. He said the door open. He said when the door open.
Yeah, give me 10 seconds.
No, bro. Ain't no 10-second head start. I just won. Ain't that right, y'all? Team Reese, Team Tyrese in the comments, you feel me? Bobby! Caden, you heard Caden? Caden, come open the door, man.
There's a couple burglars. Let us in real quick.
Hurry up.
We're gonna clean y'all out.
Yeah.
That's terrible.
Ooh,
Remember that time I was at Walmart?
I got one bag.
Remember that time I was at Walmart and the lady let her like just random little girl walk into
Ooh,
me.
y'all, I'm gonna have to record some
That
later
was
or something.
terrible.
Let my battery charge real quick, so.
Yeah.
Look at that, man. Oh, let's get it, man. Let's eat, man. It's hot, man. No, it's fine. Domino's be hitting.
It's when the fear's hidden, man. Get up in there, man. You was barely up in there, man.
Starting to warm up, though. Feels pretty good out here now. It's tolerable.
Got the sun.
Put grass from the napkin.
You in that Parmesan, man. Hey, you won't mind if we do something, man? If I switch this one with you, with that one, man?
I don't really get it smacking right now, man. How's that taste, though?
Man.
Then why you want to switch it? You want to? Yeah, friend. I trade.
There you go. That's what you call brother love right there, you know what I'm saying?
I guess.
You just looked out, but he got 2 of these things. I got 1.
What? I bought it. You gonna buy it? Got me one.
Thank you, man.
Hot. Hot and ready. Get off of my ear, bro.
What, man?
First off.
We were thumbs up. They so funny, though.
Just hilarious.
Hey, Marcus.
Yeah. If you guys ever know what we're doing, we're talking about the Haas twins. These guys are hilarious. If you get a chance,
Check
watch
them out.
Yeah, watch the video. These guys, no filters. These guys are just off the wall. Gotta love them though. They're hilarious.
I'm sorry, Oh, this one's smart. We ain't making no kinds of games, though.
Yeah. Always making games. They always making games.
We're making games.
They made me want to get some games, but
We're eating.
yeah, we eat. Maybe next time. You know, New Year coming up. It'll be new me. Maybe I'll start ripping. Maybe.
Oh man, that's the same saying, man. Don't know about clothes.
Oh dang, this thing got onions on it.
Your breath about to be woo.
Stomach about to be woo. I should have told homeboy no onions. My bad.
You should told me something to drink. My mouth feels kind of dry. Maybe smack though.
That's like a personal problem, bro.
Spin some.
You might have to, bro.
Cause I came prepared.
Would offer you to buy one I had earlier, but you threw that joint outside. I was
I have to throw it outside. If I didn't even know if it was outside.
Huh?
Hmm?
It make me enough.
It didn't make sense.
I was choking on.
How I'm gonna throw your bottle outside if I didn't even know it was outside? Nor if I knew the
I'm
bottle.
thinking it was accident. I think when you was getting out, you actually kicked it.
Oh, okay. We'll phrase it like that. You don't say I threw it out.
That's okay. This is good. Wow.
Wait.
Domino's on that level. These guys making sandwiches. They ain't just doing pizza. They gone.
It's wrong, man. It's wrong. Made it happen for you.
If you could, tell us what your favorite type of pizza place is.
Do that.
Comment.
Good job, Domino's.
Let us know.
Good job.
It's a fun fact, you know. Ask us,
Pretty
you know.
good. Hope you guys enjoyed the rest of this vlog, though.
Yeah.
Because it's lit.
Always lit. And it's cheesy.
And get ready for the New Year's vlog.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, excuse me. Because that's going to be really lit. Ain't that right? Super duper lit. And don't forget, let's get this video 15 likes.
Let's get up there, you know.
15 likes.
We'll
for
start, start small and we'll work it up, you know.
15 likes for the next vlog.
Yeah.
Well, 15 likes. Well, I'm of course we're dropping the vlog. But 15 likes for the next vlog for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be with this guy. So check out my other channel, A.O. Reese.
Yeah.
A-Y-O-O Reese.
Subscribe to his channel.
You know what I'm saying?
A.O. Reese.
I have vlogs on there. And, we lit!
Always.
Like always, so
Always. I may not get that vibe because, very chill with it, but we lit right now.
there's people who've been there, since day one, who watched our videos. You know how we are.
Uh-huh.
You know how we rocking. So,
We some fools.
yeah. Goofy fools, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what this battery looking like. Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Go to market real quick, though. Ooh, I got full battery, baby. Ooh. I got full battery. Ooh.
Let me do some soup. I dipped in that thing, man.
Yeah, man.
It's so flaky.
Oops, excuse me. Man, I'm kind of dry. So, what you think, man?
What? But the food?
Yeah.
Oh, it's 10-10, man.
On 10?
10 out of 10. This is cool. I'm gonna be alright.
Yes, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all later, alright?
Go whip it, intermission, let the birds fly. I get money, turn no vision through my third eye. Money, run that skillet, watch me flip it like it's Five Guys. Black and white pilgrim, check out the ceiling, look at the blue sky. I took a jet, yeah, boogers they sit on my lip. I didn't regret shit, yeah. I'm petting, I don't got a debt.